so I see a couple guys coming out, so I'm gonna venture in to see what's inside. So let's see. Yeah, look, I'm playing what do you call it? This the collector, the fair collector. So
ถ่ายให้ลูกชายกลางเลยเขาเล็กมันดี
how we won't go well with it straight like this. We won't let them climb up, probably get arrested. So only here that we can do that. Good morning. Today is the 30th and Monday. So we just finished having breakfast and then we are going to head up to Mesai. What's in Mesai? Mesai is next to Taki Lake, and what they have over there is actually this is the border town between Burma and Thailand. So and it will be a lot of shops, a lot of restaurants. Yeah. So it will take us about an hour to get up there. Stay tuned and see what's over there. All right. See you in a bit. What? We made it to the parking lot. This is the bottom of the hill before you go up to the the cave itself. And we have to get the now what they do is that now they actually take people up there. So with the price of the ride up to the cave is 10 baht. So 10 baht, that's probably about, I say 5 cents. Yeah? And they have shop here. See, look, you got shop, you got a lot of thing that happened after the incident. So, okay, let's see what's upstairs, what up there, and we see. So we're gonna make 2 stops going up here. So one is where the cave where the kids got stuck, and another one is another cave that's part of the same system. So it's getting pretty popular now. I can see that there's a lot of pickup, the truck going back and forth. This is where we're heading. Khunnam Nangnon. It's 3 kilometers from here. Look at this. Look at the traffic here. เป็นจังอี้ก่อนเป็นที่กูวันอะไรกูวันเยอะกว่านี้เหรอ I just asked the drivers, is it like this every day? They say yes. Yesterday even worse than this, which is good. Good economy for the local. It's amazing. You see here, you know, you got one road access in and out.
ร้านจอดรถอยู่นี่นะครับ
นี่ก่อนร้านจอดรถ
เราขึ้นรถตรงนี้ครับ
Okay. This is where he's gonna park, and then we walk from here. So I don't think I wear the right shoe or sneak. Should wear sneaker
เที่ยวออกมาคือตรงนี้
โอเค
คือคันไหนก็ได้นะ
คันใดก็ได้
ครับ
โอเค
ใบสีขาวเขาให้ไว้
มีอยู่
คันไหนขับก็ได้
Okay. He just explained to me that this is why we will board the truck back with the same ticket that we use. Take a look at this now. They have shop after shop. There's few people going up to the cave. So this is what a big sign they put up now. And there's a couple big trees here. And I see that they put some color fabric around the tree, and they just set up a lot of prayer area, and they believe that this tree had a spirit. So Right. Before that used to be a youth logo hangout. The youth they hang out and now become a popular place. Now people are actually waiting to for their turn to get up there to get their picture taken. So I will do that for them and see how we go from there. Wow, this is peaceful. I kind of like it. You got big trees. Okay, so and they set up. I mean, look, there's a bathroom over there. Ah, nice. They actually set up a place that you could sit. Ah. เมื่อกี้นางเอกตกใจสิเหยียบแมงสาบ
โอ้หมดไง
So here they set up a lot of postcard telling how they try to rescue the kids. Look at that. By pumping out some water, international team, diver team. It looks like they don't want to walk up, so I'm gonna have to do this solo. As you can see, that is where you walk up to the cave. So let's go see. It's a little steep going up, and you see little leaves falling on the floor. So just imagine that when it's a wet season, so when you get rain, this will be slippery. It's quite a bit, but these are so natural structures. Look at that. All right, let's go see. So this is one of the opening from the major cave system here. But this is not where the kid went in. But this probably will be a shaft for the air to go in. So, but I don't know if there are people actually go in from here. But you could if you wanted to. But I would recommend it. So this is one spot. So let's go see the next spot. The next spot probably would be the one that you see on the news. All right, so I see a couple guys coming out. So I'm gonna venture in there to see what's inside. So let's see. Take a look down there. You can see beyond that dark area, it's pretty dark. So the sunlight only going so far. But I probably use my flashlight from the phone just to see a little bit. I won't go in that far. So I'm just gonna go in a little bit and then just to see what's inside. This is I'm exhausted a little bit, but it's a good experience. I don't know how well you can see, but even though I have my lights on here, this is just a little opening here, so you can actually walk inside, see. I don't know how far I go in, but I wouldn't venture any further for the safety reason. I don't have the right proper equipment. No hard hat, no hiking shoes. I would, but I think here is good enough. Okay, this is when you look out from the inside to this opening. Look at this. Whew. I don't know how if you can hear me. I'm breathing hard here because this is pretty steep. So, all right, I'm gonna walk up now. Okay, it might be a little bit shaky on the view, but I'm gonna do my best to hold it steady. Come on, let's go. Here you go. Watch your head. You need to have a hard hat. But no hard hat. I'm wearing my dress shoes. Watch my head. Really, really steep. And look at this. I have a welcome party here. I have a welcome party here. So, good exercise. Wow. We are here now, so might as well take the opportunity. And good lighting too. There you go. One. ล่าลงไปไหมA lot of people still trekking in here. So they try to go see that little cave opening up there. So right here is not the main entrance of the cave, but people still flocking to see it, get the pictures opportunity. So you can see that. So there's a trail, there's a circle of trail that you can use. You can come either way. So this is we can go back this way as well. This is where the trail going through the woods, and you look this way here. This is where they open over there. Some of them just have a cobblestone or cement broken pave up here all the way out. So this is more popular for people. That's the other side is more natural nature sightseeing. This is a bamboo trail. So what they do, they use the bamboo and they split it, not all the way, and break it up, and they use it as a plank. So you can see it's look a little bit shaky. Okay, yeah. So I know how to make those plank, by the way. I used to do that when I was younger. And this is for nature lover who want to come this side. They can walk to this side, go through. It would go around in the woods, and then it would take you all the way out to that little pond there. Okay, and look, so nice. Humid. It's humid here. But it's nice. Okay, so I think we're gonna stop here, and we'll venture out back, and then we go to another spot. เป็นอะไรเป็นย่างเมื่อกี้นี่เมื่อยบ่
ม่วนเหนื่อยวัดงาม
งามอยู่เนาะ
Yes
ธรรมศาสตร์นะ
งามไร่ธรรมศาสตร์
Yeah,
ผู้ใด
it's
บ่ได้มา
natural, so you can walk up there. It's natural.
Yeah.
Actually, the cave itself, you can see. I don't know how far you can see on this one. All those mountains there. They just have the whole cave system running along those mountains all the way out there. So this is only one spot, and the other spot will be the actual larger opening. But interesting. And now the local economy here is booming. Look, so many people each day now flock here just to see what is it like.
What do you eat, I?
Look, ice cream. Now when I was younger, I used to have this for 1 baht. Okay, 1 baht for 1 ice cream. I don't know how much it is now.
10 บาท
It's 10 baht. And I thought it was going to be soft, but it's not. So this thing is quite hard, but it's good. It cools you down a little bit. So I'm hot. I'm sweaty right now. What? Good.
Really good? Yeah. มันยัง
เอาโฟกัสมันไปใส่หอยจนมึง
Everyone good
นี่เป็นร้านแล้วนี่เนี่ย
Am I good? Eat ice cream กะแลมแซ่บป่ะกะแลมช่วยจุกกัดหน่อยไหมได้ว้าว good very good
แซ่บคือกวายเอาไปแต่กวายเลย
อันนี้แซ่บจังสิแม่แซ่บแซ่บเด้อ
แซ่บ
มาสมัยยังน้อยให้ได้กิน
ไปซิงช่วย taste really good
yeah
yes good แซ่บป่ะน่ะ
ดีเขาส่งเราปาร์ตได้เลยไปดูก่อน
ถ่ายรูปกันว้าวลูกเกดฮอนออน
เนื้อสิ
งามเต้นเนอะได้เจ้าลำนี้โอ้
You know, back then when I was younger, this is only mode of transportation that I used to ride on. Okay, so I wouldn't sit inside. I'd rather hang around the back here like this when I was younger. Okay, so there's no safety thing back then. So right now it's different. So I'm gonna sit inside. Okay. It's really breezy out here. You don't need an AC because this is nothing blocking the wind. Okay, and this is a regular pickup truck, and then what they do is that they add the cap. So it's a plastic cap on it just to protect you from the rain and the sun. Last time I was on this thing like this, I have to say 45 years ago. Okay, so normally I wouldn't sit either. I would be hanging off the back. But back then I didn't know any better, so now it's a lot smarter now. So let's take a look. That's fun. So องสาวแววเถิดมันย่างเลาะเอ็กซ์ไซส์น้ำกันอยู่ในป่า So we have one more spot to stop by. This is I hope this will be the opening where you see on the news. And after this one, then we head to Mesai. And then we probably have some dinner.